Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss. It comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, 2-inch lift kit, Bridgestone all-terrain tires, spray and bed liner, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this all-black interior with paneling and cup holder storage at the bottom. Equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. It'll come up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the wood and chrome accents. And onto the seats, you're going to have these leather heated seats with driver adjustable lumbar. Super nice. And left side of steering wheel will be your ventilation as well as your drive mode selector and lighting control. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel with black bow tie. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control with 2 paddle shifters right behind. And for the odometer here, it's all digital. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, adaptive cruise, as well as your audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, and Google Assistant and Maps, as well as you can access your rear camera with hitch guidance and the hitch cam as well, with Amazon Alexa and My Chevrolet. With the wood and chrome accents above, you're going to have the lane keep assist and auto stop, as well as hill descent control, part of the Z71 package. Excuse me. As well as you're going to have the integrated brake controller right next to your dual zone climate control and 2 USB ports. Center console, you get the brand new shifter, lots of extra storage, as well as a wireless charging pad, 2 more USB ports, and an AC wall. Lots of extra storage inside. Passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable. Chrome all across, Z71 floor liners, speakers and vents up top, some storage behind the infotainment, and then here you can access your reading lamps, on-start SOS, and your power rear sliding window. You're going to have these blacked out 20-inch wheels on Bridgestone dual all-terrain tires with blacked out emblems, 6.2 liter in the hood scoop, paint match mirror caps, and keyless entry door handles. You're going to have the Trail Boss badging as well with corner step bumper, the dual exhaust, and trailer hitch and 5th wheel just under, tube shocks. And to the back here, 2 LED lamps, as well as an AC wall port and our own 12-bed tie downs. It's a pretty spacious room. Moving on to the rear interior, we've got more paneling storage right next to the speaker, power window with the wood and chrome accent. Lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, with rear cup holders, rear ventilation, and USB ports, as well as right in the center, cup holder and armrest. You're going to have storage behind the seats, storage under, clamps up top, and handles on the side. Alright, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT Trail Boss, equipped to the 6.2 liter V8 engine, as well as a 2-inch lift kit, Bridgestone all-terrain tires, adaptive cruise, Google Assistant and Maps, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Car very soon.